annoying stutter your Dyson V15 is doing? That's not a glitch, it's a cry for help. You pull the trigger, it gasps for air, and then nothing. You're left with a floor full of crumbs and a mounting sense of betrayal. The technical culprit? It's usually not a broken motor, but a massive internal clog. Microscopic dust builds up deep inside the cyclones and filters where your standard empty the bin routine can't reach. It's essentially trying to run a marathon while breathing through a straw. But don't panic, RoboCare is here to save your suction. At RoboCare, we are the leading experts in Dyson V15 restoration. Our technicians aren't just repairmen, they are specialists who understand the complex digital motor and airflow sensors of the Dyson V15 inside and out. The diagnosis for a stuttering Dyson V15 is almost always the need for a professional deep cleaning service. While home maintenance is great, it can't reach the microscopic dust that cakes onto the internal cyclones over time. Our team performs a surgical teardown of your vacuum using specialized non-marring tools to protect your machine's finish. We deep clean every internal component, clearing the phantom blockages that trigger those annoying errors and ensuring your motor can breathe freely again. Our process doesn't just fix the glitch, it restores your vacuum's life expectancy and peak suction power. Now let's get to the results. Look at that power. With the internal airways cleared, this Dyson V15 is breathing again. It's not just clean, it's performing at factory spec levels with maximum suction restored. Ready to bring your Dyson back to life? Let RoboCare fix it right. Contact RoboCare today. Visit our website or call us to schedule your repair.